Okay guys, this video I'm going to show you how to speed up your WordPress website. Okay, right now for example I'm using this one. Okay, I have a few plugins here and then I'm using a paid theme. Okay, so right now the first thing we need to do is to analyze with a tools. It's a gtmetrix. These tools you can go to gtmetrix.com, and then without login you are not able to change some features here. So I recommend you register a free account. All these tools is free. Okay, after you log in, what we need to do is this first step, analyze with gtmetrix. You paste your URL here and then you can choose the test location. If you are if your site hosted with Australia data center, you can choose Sydney, Australia. For my example, this one, my site hosts in Singapore, so I will choose the nearest place, Hong Kong, China. I can also choose to try my site using Firefox, Chrome, or Chrome Android. So I am trying with Chrome. So this one you can also choose the connection type. For example, 3G mobile, 2G mobile, broadband slow, broadband medium, broadband fast. I am choosing this one. So right now my setting is Hong Kong, Chrome, broadband fast. Okay, let me analyze this site. The process is quite fast, so only maybe 30 seconds will be complete maximum. Okay, here is my score. Okay, my score is B grade, 89%. Y slow is this one is Yahoo, 75%, and then the fully load time is 2.4 seconds. Okay, this one we need to remember it. Okay. And then all the recommendation these tools will show you. For example, I need to combine images using CSS spread, all this file, all this stuff, and the window as well. You see, this one is the score is quite terrible. And then actually, if you do not have any knowledge in WordPress, this will make you feel bad, and then because you don't know what to do. So what I recommend you is here we only have 4 steps. We already complete the first step, analyze with gtmetrix. The second step is we need to go back into your admin panel. You go to the plugin section. You need to find one plugin, litespeed. This one is a really good plugin, 5-star plugin. We install. We activate. And then we go to the litespeed cache setting. You click on the show advanced option, and then you need to go to the optimize here. By default, you see all these stuff: CSS combine, CSS minify, JS combine. This one is for JavaScript. Is by default is off. So because I don't know what plugin you are using, so you need to try one by one. But for your convenience, I will share a file with you. This one is the file, the setting that I already tried many times, and then this file, latest to fix. I will put this one into description, and then you just need to go into the import, and then you import this file, and then you can proceed from there. Okay, let me show you again. Setting, you see my optimize tab, I already put something on and something off, and then those functions that I put on is mostly will compatible with all the plugin in the market, and then you can proceed from here. So this one is the third step, fine tuning step. This step I will share the file with you. you can just upload and then proceed from there. And then the last step is retest. Okay, this one, the B grade 89%, 75%. Right now we retest from the same test server with the same connection. Okay, right now you see the score jump into A, 96%, almost full. This one is 82%, all green. Everything just now you see have error, all auto solve already. Everything. So the fully loaded time is 1.4 seconds right now. It's much better than the previous result. Okay, thank you very much.